Hey beautiful bride, and welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking about a destination emergency kit for out-of-state and destination weddings. So this is going to be perfect for you to be able to take down some notes, or at the very end of the video, if you don't want to take down notes, you can also look at the description box below, and I've included everything that we're going to talk about today in the description with links so that you can go find the perfect emergency wedding kit for your day. Number one is to start off with a durable bag. This is something that you may be taking with you if you're doing an adventure elopement. It's making sure if you have a blister on the back of your heel, or if you fall down and scrape your knee or something, that you have that emergency kit with you. But it's also a durable bag and something that is easily being able to carry with you and carry all the products inside of it. Here is a list of bridal bags that I've loved for destination bridal emergency bags. And like I said, I will link everything below in the description, so you don't have to worry about taking notes unless you want to. Number two is to make sure you pack essential toiletries such as deodorant, lipstick, making sure you have sunscreen, things like that, hand sanitizer, so you feel confident and hydrated throughout the day, but also clean and sanitized. Number three is so crucial, and that is to make sure you prepare a makeup touch-up kit as well, in addition to everything else. I provide this for my brides, and what I include in mine is a blotting towels, lipstick, and a makeup remover wipe for the night of. This way you can keep everything looking fresh. Also for your hair, you want to make sure you have some bobby pins and some hairspray in there as well to keep everything looking great and long lasting throughout the day. It's to number four that corresponds with number three, and that is your hair care essentials. Like I mentioned before, making sure you have bobby pins in that kit, you have hairspray, and also that you make sure you have dry shampoo as well. This can also help if your hair is feeling a little bit oily after walking or hiking a little bit. Just put some on there so you don't have that shine in the photos. Number five is to make sure you have a kit that addresses wardrobe malfunctions. A lot of the times we either eat too much or we have a little bit of bloating on our traveling, so something may need to be let out, or we may need to tighten things up a little bit as well. Bobby or safety pins are great for this. Also, if you have a little emergency sewing kit, once again, I've linked all of these below so you don't have to worry about finding the right ones. And these are so nice to be able to sew somebody into their dress if needed, or stitch up a hole in a dress or anything like that. And also is great if you're hiking and maybe your dress gets a snag in it. This is perfect to have an essential sewing kit ready and handy. And number six is to make sure you're staying comfortable. So make sure you plan for, if you are going on a hike, that you have some comfortable hiking shoes, and prepare for blisters that may happen. Also making sure if you are needing to take any menstrual pads with you or protection in that way to keep everything super easy and accessible for yourself so you can stay comfortable throughout the day. Number seven is making sure you stay hydrated. Hydration is so important, and also nourished. Make sure you pack some hydration, some water, or even some packs that you can put into your water to kind of help you give some electrolytes back into the body, and also packing like protein snacks and some snacks for the hike or for your excursions. This is going to be great to be able to stay nourished and keep that energy up, especially if you're doing a long hike or a early morning hike. Number eight is to also consider in your kit is a change in weather. So weather is something we obviously cannot predict. So if you have a weather change and it's super windy, this is where your hairspray would be great and come in handy. Also, if it's raining outside, make sure you pack into this emergency kit a poncho or something to help protect you from the rain. And number nine is to make sure you capture those special memories throughout the day. And it's very important to make sure your phone is charged so you can capture those moments. So making sure you pack an extra battery pack and charge the battery pack that you pack, which is also something I always forget. So making sure you have that in your emergency kit as well is super important. And number 10 is to make sure when you're packing all of this kit and putting it together that you customize it for your special needs and the area that you're gonna be getting married in. If you're getting married at a sandy beach, your needs are gonna be different than if you're getting married in the Rocky Mountains and hiking around in the winter. So make sure you also consider these different factors when putting together your kit. And that concludes our video for today. Did you find it helpful? Are there anything you have questions about? Make sure you put them in the comments below. Thank you once again so much for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed them and found them helpful. If you did, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and remember to hit the notification bell so you can get more videos like this every single Wednesday. Thanks for watching and happy wedding planning.